What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where, but I hope it is awesome. And I hope my mic is back working today. I don't know. I'm going to keep going down to the bottom. I need to get people to give me a thumbs up to make sure my mic is working today. But good to be with you guys. Today is actually a big day. I think we have a date to discuss here, a little bit of some stuff to talk about with XRP and, go over prices. I think right now the market's looking a little bit flat for the most part. I think over the last couple days it's been flat. We've made some good plays though. We talked about things yesterday with a couple options, but yeah, things are looking pretty good, dude. XRP to the moon. Hell yeah, dude. We got Tommy in the house here, Tim Shea. We got two big paws. Tommy Savage. What's up, dude? Matt Korn, Bobby Fox, George. Good to see you guys, man. Welcome. And, hope everyone's having a fantastic Sunday or Monday, I guess, depending on where you're at. But, hope you guys are having a good day. And today is a perfect day here. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm probably only going to be on here for about an hour because today's actually a beautiful day outside, and we're going to go kick the soccer ball around. So got to get those moves on. I did post in the Discord. I posted my daughter tripping up a girl pretty good on a spin move. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to check that out. But with all that, let's jump into it. We got a lot to cover today for this hour. So let's actually get right here. You can see that the market is a little bit down over the last 24 hours. Or I guess I should say flat. There are some things down, but this last hour we're up just a slight bit. XRP has literally not moved a whole lot. It's been hovering around 313 to 312 for literally last, I feel like, 7 days. Look at this. Look at this chart right here, guys. This is the most flat chart I've seen in a long time. Almost like hasn't really budged a lot, which is good if you think about it. When you think about the chart doing this, you think about, okay, this is building up for a nice little, upward mobility. Usually when things go flat or trade sideways, it's creating a nice little floor to then bounce up, especially in a bull market. So these are actually good signs for XRP. Like I said, I did wish that XRP would come down in price for a swing trade, but however, sometimes it doesn't happen, right? Sometimes your wish doesn't happen. We moved over to some other projects like HBAR and XLM, and people got in on Jupiter. People got in on AVAX is looking pretty good for a nice little rally to make some profits on a swing trade. So there's a lot of other cryptos out there that are on the table for swing trades, but XRP is trading sideways, which again, I don't think is that bad. I actually am okay with it trading a little bit sideways, just because it creates a nice little floor to build things off of. So Brad says a slow week and anything exciting should happen. Yeah, so I put on my thing, and there's a huge thing coming up here. So let's jump into it real quick so that people don't think I'm clickbaiting them. So awesome right here that there was a U.S. Appeal Court issued schedule order for the Ripple case. So we're actually having a pretty good deadline maybe of when XRP is going to be settled. And, the good thing here is that it says that Ripple Labs and CEO need to have their dismissal of the appeal in by April 7th of 2025. So although that seems far away, they're going to probably have they're probably going to submit their dismissal of the case hopefully by April 7th. Again, they have both parties have to go in. They have to put together an appeal for this. And the dismissal would happen if the SEC doesn't move forward. So I'm hoping that the dismissal happens sometime in April. I'm not the only person that believes this. You can go down here. A lot of people are actually thinking that the Trump administration is most likely going to have a settlement or dismissal around April or May of 2025. And so although these different deadlines are happening here, they're basically saying that March 6th is a huge deadline for submitting the appeal to open brief. And then obviously, like I said, April 16th is a pre-filing for the second court appeal. So they got a couple of dates coming up here, but we're hoping that maybe this actually just gets stopped here in April or May. And again, that's actually coming from people that are around the Trump administration that are saying this. So I think that's actually really positive for XRP. Again, we were hoping that maybe here in Q1, we were going to have maybe a settlement, but it's looking like it could be Q2 before we ever reach a settlement with the SEC. But I guess that's better than nothing. At least it's coming here in 2025 because this has been drug out for years. And I can't wait for this to finally come to an end. What's going on, Tony? Good to see you, buddy. We've got Sloth in the house here. XCM making big moves. Good. I'm happy for you guys, dude. Tim, we got the mayor of crypto in the house here. Borishita, what's up, man? I'm waiting on XLM to move. Get in swing trade at 0.415. Yeah, that's good. That's good, man. We got Shib Army in the house here. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Thanks so much for the $20 donation. Hear about the Toshi meme. Got in at 8K before it hit the 360 million. Now it's going crazy. There's a lot of people in the Discord, man, that got in on that Toshi meme coin and are doing fantastic. And I'm just super happy for everyone who got into that meme coin. Obviously, I did not get into the meme coin, but if you did and you're killing it right now, keep doing you. The biggest thing I'll say is make sure you take your profits, make sure you protect your investment, and make sure you do not write it down to the bottom, because that's what usually happens with these things. So again, just protect your investment, protect your profits, and don't get greedy, because greedy will bring you down to zero. Been there, done that. But I'm super happy for all of you guys that are killing it on the XCN and on Toshi, dude. So kudos to you guys. And thanks again to Chip Armory for the donation to the channel. I'm making a play on Jupiter. Bought earlier yesterday morning, doing well today. Yeah, Jupiter's actually a little bit down. I was looking at the liquidation chart today, and over the last 4 hours, Jupiter had a pretty good amount of liquidation in here. You can see right now they have about $2 million in the last 4 hours of liquidation, around 1.23 million in shorts. So yeah, definitely some things to watch out there. Even ETH is down pretty good. Vine has come down from a liquidation standpoint as well, if you're looking at that other another one of those meme coin type things. But yeah, I was just looking at the liquidation chart and saw Jupiter up there. But yeah, Yang out here making some moves with that, dude. I wish I was around a computer when I told you, because I would have probably bought in with you, but I totally wasn't in a position to do that. So yeah. I was so late today to getting out. Like I didn't even leave the house today that I got my coffee on deck right here. So I don't have my Starbucks. This is Starbucks coffee. It's just not my normal Starbucks. Good news, April will be here soon. Yeah, so it's actually going to line up perfectly, because like we said, usually February is a really good part of the quarter. Q1 is usually really, really good. March, we typically have a sell-off in March, towards the end of March. The FOMC meeting will come out here on, I think, the 18th and 19th. We'll have an FOMC meeting around March 18th and 19th. We'll obviously stream that. The markets will probably take a shit like they normally do. I mean, it's rinse and repeat right there. And then come right around April again, we'll see a nice little rally upward, and it's going to be perfect timing for XRP to hit the ground running. And that's kind of where I'm at with it. So super excited about that. Another thing here too is you can see right here, I like this. You can see that we're matching up with 2017. So obviously 2017 inauguration, we had a dip in the market right here. This is that dip. Let me get countries. There we go. You can see this is the dip that I was anticipating, but we didn't really get that. We had a nice little rally upward and a rally down right here, and now we're building out of it. You can see right here, but I was hoping for a bigger dip, what we saw here in 2017, but I don't think we're seeing that. And now we're consolidating, and you can actually see that we're coming to the end of a wedge here. So we're saying that probably somewhere in the middle of February here, probably towards the beginning of February, we could actually see a nice little rally. So I said this yesterday in Discord. We had actually like 45 people in the Discord chat room yesterday, which is freaking awesome. Appreciate you guys all being there late last night. I mean, we were in there for like 5 hours, just talking about everything. And I just appreciate everyone being in there and just talking about life and talking about crypto and just talking about everything. I mean, that's the best way to do it in a community. So, and I was just saying that, I would not be on the sidelines come February. Like, it's just, again, I don't know where it's going to go. It could go down. I don't know. Maybe people are going to go down, but there's going to be plays out there where I think that I would not be on the sidelines. I'm going to be all in on February, dude. February comes around here. Any money that's sitting on the sideline is going to be in some form of play. I don't know whether it's a shit coin that I decided to put it in, like Trump, or, a pre-sell that I want to put it in. I don't know. It's going somewhere, dude. It could be in Bitcoin. It could be in XRP, HBAR, XLM. It's going somewhere, dude. I don't care where it's at, but I'm not sitting with anything left on the sidelines, because I just have a feeling that history could repeat itself. Usually it does, or some form of repeating. And I'm not going to be on the sidelines waiting while everyone else is making profits. So just saw the Chainlink video. Oh, snap. What's up, Adam? So without a settlement, none of XRP being involved in the reserve can move forward. That is true. That is true, Adam. That is actually one thing I want to put out there, is that I do think that while this is still under appeal with the SEC, I don't think that it's going to be moving forward anytime soon with the reserves. And which, again, I think a drop to the case is imminent, right? I hope that they actually move forward with it. Austin Sui for a swing trade. You can thank me later. I mean, Sui's good, man. We actually looked at Sui yesterday, and Sui is actually in a good position. We pulled the chart last night. I think I pulled it up. Well, I couldn't share it with people in Discord, but I did pull it up. And there's a couple plays out here. We'll talk about it later today. Let's go over some of these, because I do think that there's some interesting plays out there. Do you see HBAR increasing in 25? Oh, absolutely correct. Distortion. I mean, that's probably one of my largest plays at this moment. Let's see what I got here. Hello. Oh yeah, sorry. I'll do that. We got fan out here telling me what to do all the time. Sorry, I didn't have sub mode on, and this stuff was going fast. So there we go. Thank you, fan. Liza, what's going on, Liza? Serious, name 5 coins that you probably to be in the crypto reserves. Oh, you'll definitely have Ethereum. You definitely have Bitcoin. You're probably gonna have the top cryptos. You're gonna have Solana. You're gonna have XRP. What's the other one you're gonna have? You'll probably have. Shoot. Outside of that, I don't know the other ones. Meme coins scare me. Meme coins scare me too, man. Take your profits, especially memes. 100%, dude. Ming, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you all so much, and welcome to the A team. Appreciate you a ton. And I forgot one actually. KC, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, 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 both of you. I do appreciate that, and I starred that one thinking I was going to come back to it, and I totally spaced it. So Casey, welcome, and Ming, welcome. Appreciate you guys being a part of the A team here. Trump coin released the entire crypto market. I don't think so, dude. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be just fine. We did see a little bit of some liquidation events, but that's perfect, man. That allows us to get into some good entry points. I mean, HBAR was on a HBAR was on a rise, XLM was on a rise, and those came down into some really good buy areas. So yeah, I'm excited for that. Here you go again. Here's another one of the things that we want to look at here. We obviously have Barack Obama's when he came into presidency, this thing went nuts. You have Donald Trump, and this is in weeks. I want to show you guys this is in weeks. This is in days. This is in weeks. So you can see Barack Obama came in really, really good in 2013. Donald Trump came in 2017, did really, really well. Joe Biden came in, did well, but came way back down. We actually hit the same levels where we did before we broke back out. So again, something to watch out for here. This was right here. This is going into June right here. So this is again an FOMC meeting type dip right here. And we actually kind of went flat for all of summer in 2021 before November of 2021. We actually took off and blew up. So again, we'll continue to monitor these things. In 2025, we're right around the same exact area. So I just want to say this, like, I'm not here to tell people what to do. I'm not here to say what to do. What I'm doing is I will not be on the sidelines come February, period. There will not be a single dime on the sidelines for me come February. Almost identical. Yeah, almost identical. Yeah, appreciate that. Austin, just heads up. Sui, looks like you should be in for a swing trade. Yeah, we'll have to take a look at it. Let's see here. We got Rito Burrito. What's up, buddy? Neo, Deb. Yeah, it's good to see Deb. Trying to catch up to you guys here. We got Darius Coleman in the house here. What's up, dude? Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Where do you see ILV and Quant this cycle? I don't know if I know what ILV is, but I mean, Quant should do well. I think Quant has a good chance. It's an ISO. It's not as sexy as a lot of other plays, but I mean, it's definitely one of those for sure. So thanks again so much for the $2. Thomas, thanks so much for the £2, man. XCN, buy now 2x by Wednesday. We got the XCN army in the house here. Appreciate you guys being here, and you guys are killing it. I will give that. I actually pulled up the chart yesterday and said that I think a lot of things have definitely happened, and there's a lot of people in the A team. There's a lot of people that are on even in Discord yesterday that were out here pretty excited about what was going on here. It actually has dipped down since we were on. No, I think it's actually, what time did it go up? We're on stream and this thing was going up pretty good, and then it's come back down. So I think it's actually lower than where XCN's lower than where I thought it was from last night when we were talking about it. Should you buy XRP? That's up to you, man. Grant, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton, bud. Thank you so much. And yeah, make sure you guys, if you are a new member, make sure you guys join that Discord, dude. It's a blast over there. Had a really good time. Like I said, I mean, a big community coming together, and it's only getting bigger every day, and it's been great, dude. I'm so appreciative of everyone over there in Discord. Oh, the maxi foot is so bullish. They know they can't suppress forever. Neo, I'm with you, buddy. I'm with you, dude. And what's even better is that Jack. I'll say this one last time. Jack has made the bed he has to lay in, dude. A lot of people are not happy with him. The Bitcoin people are, but there's a lot there. The crypto community is a lot bigger today than it ever was before. And there's a lot more people here that are not Bitcoin people. So back in 2016, I think he could have got away with it. 2020, maybe could have got away with it. Today, not getting away with it, dude. Too many people are out there. You know, again, people that have helped him. You can see Litecoin. There's a lot of people out there that have helped him grow, and he comes out and throws shade at everyone else. I don't think people are too happy with him, dude. So, you know, good luck to him, though. Correct distortion. And I'd want to say, when I say good luck to him, that just means that, like, you should want everyone to win here, and you shouldn't be out here trying to knock everyone down. You should just be happy and positive for the cryptocurrency community to move forward. It shouldn't be just about Bitcoin. It should be about cryptocurrency as a whole. So that's where I want to end with on that whole thing. So when you start to make it all about you and all about your community and, you know, Bitcoin being the best, it leaves out an entire population of people that are in crypto as a whole. And that's the last thing you should be doing, dude. We should all be wanting each other to win, not just whatever you're in. So correct distortion. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. What altcoins do you have? Will hit Robinhood next? Dude, good question. I mean, I hope HBAR hits Robinhood next. That's probably the big one. HBAR is not on Robinhood, so which is kind of crazy to me. We got Trump over there. We got SHIB over there. We got Pepe over there. We got all these things, but we don't have HBAR over there. Like, what the hell is going on, dude? So I'm gonna say HBAR, dude. Yeah, Deb. Thanks so much, man. Smash that like button. Appreciate you guys. Want to buy XEM by KYC in Europe is everywhere. Oh, you got the KYC? You get the we have the KYC here too. Yeah, we have the KYC here as well. XEN, looking at the website, it'll be defeated. Justin Sun did not get his approval. Oh, was just yeah, didn't I hear Justin Sun was like something a part of the XEN thing? What are your thoughts on XRP being a scam coin where they pay all these banks to mention XRP just to show the coin? I don't think so, dude. We already saw that we've already seen what it's capable to do. So, I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's really, I'm not even sweating that at all, bro. I'm not sweating it at all, Greedo. I keep selling Toshi. Can the price go higher considering the market cap and total coins in circulation? I thought the price can't go higher. Well, I don't even know what's at, dude. Austin, do you follow a soccer team? Oh, my daughter plays soccer, dude. She plays for the Rain Academy, which is the women's professional team here in Seattle. She plays for their farm team. Both of them do, actually. And so, yeah. What's good, chat? XXI Gaming, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Long time no see. Hope all is well with you, bro. Missed you, dude. And it's good to see you in the chat. Just been swing trading XCN and putting the gains in. Hell yeah, Tad. Love it, man. Freaking love it, dude. So one thing I wanted to point out here is that dude, this is crazy right here. That over $92 million was transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. This actually came on the whale trigger yesterday. I forgot to share this, but this is actually pretty crazy. So no sell has actually happened. But it is kind of something to watch out for is that, the transfer may be intended to provide additional liquidity to Coinbase. So that is a positive thing here. We don't know exactly where it's going to go. So before like people go out there and freak out and start like, oh my God, we had this whale sell $30 million or $90 million. Just realize this could provide additional liquidity to Coinbase. Exchanges often receive large inflows from wallets to ensure enough supply for increasing trade volume. So that is something to consider with this. Again, it's not always like they're going to just sell it. It could be for a liquidity issue or something like that they're bringing it in for, and in anticipation that the price could go up. So again, this could be a bullish signal as well. As much as we talk about things coming to Coinbase and that good stuff, we don't really see $92 million get transferred to Coinbase from XRP. Like that's very uncommon. And so to see this, I kind of am on board with this. Could be actually provide provisional liquidity in anticipation that we're going to have a ramp up come here in the next month. And I think that's what Coinbase is preparing for. Plus, this came in yesterday and there has been no sell. So again, if you're going to be sending this over to Coinbase, you're not going to leave $92 million sitting in a Coinbase wallet, for 24 hours. Like that's not going to happen. You're going to move it over there. You're going to sell, transfer that shit out. Here, you're actually that's not going to happen. You know what I mean? So I think that could be the move here, but it's something to at least watch out for. But this could be anticipation of a high amounts of volume coming here in February. So that's kind of how I'm looking at it, and I'm excited for it. Linda, what's up, Linda? We got Linda Van in the house here. We got FOMO Whale in the house here. Finally heard her speak. She's not Dave. I just want everyone to verify that Linda is not Dave. So I just want to put that out there for the A team. That she really is Linda. So Surf Cape Cod, dude. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, and welcome, my friend. I just got here late. Appreciate you being here, man. Let's Linda's been offline for a while to get her pedicure. uh, hey, yo, man, you gotta take care of that. You gotta take care of them. You know what I'm saying? You gotta take care of your feet. You gotta take care of yourself. I am not Dave. Yes, you're not Dave. Oh, that's awesome, dude. That's awesome. I have something to admit to the A team. I do not have XRP. I have been going on XLM, XRP. Should I get an XRP? Pam, that's okay, man. You don't do what you think is good for you. I always say, like, do you, boo boo. You know, what makes you happy is what you should do. And if XRP is a little too high for you because, whatever reason, or it's something that's not, that you're not, you should just do what's best for you. And I think having HBAR and XLM is great. You know what I mean? I think those are really, really good moves. So I don't think that you're in the wrong at all. So don't ever apologize or feel like you have to admit something because, yeah, I think this is great, dude. You're killing it, dude. Keep building your existing bags. How do we join the Discord? You got to become a member of the A team, connect your membership, and then connect your YouTube to Discord. Click on the rules and you come into Discord. Should I invest in both XRP and BTC? I mean, I definitely, if you're in crypto, you should own some form of BTC for sure. We also confirmed that Liza is not Dave. Yes, that's good. You heard her voice. So hearing voices changes the whole perspective. But, that was good times. Good times in the first week of Discord. It was so funny, man. Catfish Dave over here. So love it, dude. Thoughts on Flare? Love Flare, dude. I've been holding Flare for a long time. I'll continue to hold Flare. Speaking of Robinhood, try Robinhood wallet out. I was surprised given their crypto is set up the ease in swapping. You think it's easy? I haven't used Robinhood since Dogecoin, bro. Dogecoin in 2021, I sold all my Dogecoin. Haven't used it since. Because you got to think they didn't have a wallet back then. They didn't have anything back then. You couldn't do anything now with Robinhood back then. So I just was like, you know what? I found other things, and that's kind of where it's like the stream. Appreciate you, Linda. Thank you. No problem, Pam. Appreciate you being here. Why peeps are posting how much they own is beyond me. Oh, the thing is, a lot of people are posting how much they have, but it's on a centralized exchange. So I'm not sweating it, dude. Like, I think no one can really track it on a centralized exchange. If it was actually on the XRPL, people could probably start tracking it. But since it's on an exchange, that's a hard thing to track. But I get what you're saying. Shogun, there we go, buddy. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member. Now you can definitely go join that Discord, bro. I actually don't think I put it in the chat here, unless Fan did. Yeah, I don't think I actually pinned it to the top here. My bad. I'll pin the Discord and everything. It's in my description box if you guys want to check that out. I did put it in the description box there below. I'll post it here in the chat as well, and I'll let Fan do because the chat is flying right now. Holy crap. Darius, thanks so much for the $5 again, dude. Currently holding 8 quant, 26 alluvium, 225 XLM. My biggest bags are HBAR. Damn, dude, good job. And XRP. IVM is a gaming coin, by the way. Okay. Yeah, that's probably why I don't really invest a whole lot into gaming stuff. But I think I have heard of alluvium now that you say that. I think I might have heard of that, Darius. But yeah, I think you're sitting pretty, dude. I mean, 8 quant's pretty good, dude. That's like what, 800 some odd dollars, $900, maybe almost $1,000. So yeah, dude, I'm excited for you, dude. 100%, man. Thanks so much for the $5 too. Austin, do you ever take profits from your long-term bag? No. I will not take I will not touch my long-term bag until I feel the time is right. Right. It's been building for 3 years. I haven't taken a single thing out of it. I haven't actually touched my wallet since like the beginning of November. Well, I plugged this in November. I had to get something off of it. But yeah, I haven't actually plugged it in since November. I started picking up into the Ledger yesterday. It's definitely weird to figure out. Yeah, Ledger is not the easiest, Cray. I'll agree. Ledger is a little tough. This is old school, bro. This is very, very old school. So this is old technology, and it's very clunky now. In today's world, when this first came out, Ledger was like, dude, this is super tech, man. This is like the best thing in the world. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get my Ledger. And now it's really kind of old school. But like I said, I kind of dig old school. So. It's definitely there's going to be new stuff coming out that make it a lot easier. It's going to definitely compete. There's things they're going to be competing with Ledger to make things easier for people in life because this is not the easiest for a lot of people. So sold XCN last night. New trucks still have a fat bag. Hell yeah, sold Jeffy. What's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. We got Via in the house here. Selmo Fudd. Got Selmo in the house. Good to see you, Selmo. Appreciate you being here, buddy. Thoughts on Swift? I think that's a meme. I don't know if that's actually like a real crypto. You know what I mean? Sorry, fan. I'm just trying to get ahead of the game. Jam, what's up, Jam? Good to see you. I just bought a Tangem. Okay, you bought the Tangem. Nice, bro. Nice. So we talked about the appeals. We talked about this. We talked about the Bitcoin. We have a lot of liquidation out here right now. You can see here in the last hour, Ethereum. You even got Jupiter out here. Trump's looking like it's doing okay. Vine. I mean, a couple of these other ones. You got a lot of meme coins getting liquidated. It looks like here. Let's actually pull up the last chart here. Yeah, things are really flat. Like, look at the lines over here, dude. Like flat, 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 flat. Look at that. This is a 7-day chart right here. Everything is just super flat. But let's jump into our cryptos over here. We got Ethereum that's obviously kind of flat. Like I said, it's gone sideways a little bit. I'm on the day chart right now. XRP definitely flat. We had this nice little rally here on January 15th, which obviously was the election or was their hearing. Things went nuts on the 14th and 15th. This thing has now just sort of sat up here in a buy zone. And again, if you guys are having a hard time figuring out where the levels are on this, if you want to draw the same thing out here, you can actually put your fractals up here and see that your bottom is down here and your top is up here. If you wanted to, you could move this up. I like keeping it where I'm at, but you could move it here. They're saying that this is a bottom for this cycle or this next cycle right here. You can see this little thing right here, but I'm keeping it where we have it. It doesn't really change a whole lot. I kind of like where I had it before. Let me just go like this. So I'm going to keep it down at this fractal versus this one, but there is still the height of the market there. So we'll continue to monitor that one. Again, William fractals is what you want to look at if you're having a hard time setting your lows and highs on this. So XRP sitting at about 312, really flat over the last week. We got HBAR. HBAR is actually looking, dude, I'm going to tell you guys, this is coming back down and almost hit. Look at this. This is like clockwork, guys. This is clockwork. This is coming back down. Even though the last 4 hours showing positive right now, the hour chart came down. I thought we were actually going to come back down and tap on the 32.9 again. But you can see this. Anytime we get to this 0.5, this is actually considered a deep, I guess you could say, it's going to be a deep retracement, right? So again, you have a retracement, you have a deep retracement, this is like a deep retracement, okay? And then this one like here is down. And then when it reaches here, we're in like you consider this like we're down. We could potentially be downtrending, right? So that's kind of the levels here. But XRP HBAR doing the exact same thing it did before. It rallied up here. So let's go back to the day chart here. You can see we played the same game with HBAR over here. Look at this, up down, up down, up down. Now we're up, down. Now we're gonna work up, and then we're gonna come back down. These things right here though, these big wicks coming on this. This shows you the market is kind of undecided when it gets to this 382 level right here, which is around 34 cents. So something to monitor. But we got a nice fair value gap down here on the day chart, which again is right around the 30 to 31. So again, I moved my back up to 30. I moved my back up to 31. I think I still have my order in for 29. I can't remember what I have it in for. Let's see here. I think I still have it in for. I probably need to change it, dude. Let's see. What are my orders at? Yeah, 29,380. That's pretty aggressive. 29,380 is pretty damn aggressive. So, what is the best exchange for your crypto? I mean, I prefer Coinbase, but that's just me. So this is the reason why you wake up early in the morning. Yes, you wake up early in the morning. You wake up at like 6 a.m. When it comes to HBAR and XRP and XLM, you wake up at around 4 a.m. if you want to catch the dips here on these things. So yeah, I would agree with you on that one. Let's see. I just ordered the Ledger Flex. Okay. That's good, dude. Flex is good. The only thing is with the Flex is you can't, I heard with Code Core saying you can't upload the hash graph over there. So you'll have a hard time with Hedera, just to give you a heads up on that one. Cheers from Windsor, Ontario. Damn. All right. What's up, North? Good to see you, man. We got Gabby in the house, dude. MZ Gabby, thanks so much for becoming a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton, and welcome to the A team. Appreciate it so much, and like I said, welcome, my friend, for joining the A team. That's awesome. Thank you so much. And now you can definitely go join that Discord if you'd like as well. I'll have my husband do it for me. He spends too much time with you guys. That's awesome, dude. What's up, M. Craigs? Good to see you, dude. Hope all is well with you. Long time no see, man. Appreciate you being here. Long time no see, dude. Thank you so much, dude. Loved you. Love the comment. I feel like I haven't seen you in a while. Do you see what Gary Cardone was saying about XRP? I did not say who's Gary. Did he go? Did he do the meme? Did he do the who the heck is that guy? The Conor McGregor meme. I have a tangent for Hedera. Okay, Bob. Yeah, I heard tangent was actually pretty easy for it. Oh, Queef. Okay. I'm glad, dude. That's awesome. I appreciate it. Well, welcome, Gabby. Austin, say hi to my brother Mike. What's up, Mike? He's sitting right next to me. Good to see you. Good to hear. Glad you're sitting next to your brother Anthony, Mike. Good to see you, man. Anybody spamming XCN needs to be blocked. No, it's okay, dude. XCN, dude. People are excited for XCN. You know, I spent some time looking at XCN with the team yesterday, with the A team yesterday, and you know, people are excited about it, dude. A lot of people are making some good money off of it, and regardless of how people feel about it, whether they don't like it or they like it, you know, people are making good money, man, and that's all that matters. And so, you know, XCN's definitely you know, one of those that are obviously doing well for people, and you know, I couldn't knock it at all. Just subscribe. Been watching for a couple weeks. Austin, do you hold Super or Beam? I do not hold either of those, dude. What do you think of the gaming narrative? The gaming narrative has been going on, Brock. The gaming narrative has been going on for years, dude. I'm talking like 8 years. And it's like every year, this is the year for gaming. Every year is the year for gaming. So this might be the year for gaming. I don't know, man. It just seems like every year is the year for gaming, and we never actually have a year for gaming. So, yeah, it's kind of a tough one. You know what I mean? So I don't invest in any gaming scenarios out there because they just haven't ever worked out. And the last gaming one that I actually entered into was Gala, and Gala completely hurt the community with their V2 token. I thought it was trash, and I'm a little bitter about it still. So that's the last time I ever put money into a gaming token. So no, that's why I haven't invested in XCN. I have no idea what the utility is behind XCN. So, you know, I get what they're trying to do, but it's still I'm still trying to figure it out. So, and until I figure it out, like Jasmine is another one. Like, I'm not dogging it. I think everyone that wants to buy into it, I'm super happy for them, and I hope they make a lot of money. It's just, you know, if I'm struggling to figure out exactly what they're doing and I don't fully understand it, then I'll probably just sit on the sidelines and let everyone else do good. Made a huge profit on XCN. Jamie, that's badass, bro. I'm happy for you, dude. I need a coffee. Queef. Can you sell or convert HBAR on Tangent? Because I know you can on Ledger. You can sell. You can't convert. I don't think you can convert. I don't think you can sell or convert. From what I've done, I've never tried it. Never actually tried it, dude. I bought XCN and Toshi, made a bunch of money and rolled it into XRP. Hell yeah, West be playing. What XRP's court date, bro? Dude, it's going to be April 7th. There's a couple court dates, so we'll go back to this because it is the topic here. So we have the April 7th will be the first court date that we're here. It says right here that they'll have to file their appeal, and it says both parties need to comply with the scheduled order. Failing could result in dismissal of appeal. Ripple Labs and CEO Garland House need to file for the appeal by April 7th, and it's time to schedule the order for this. So that's the big one, is April 7th. And then it says down here that the court has also given the March 6th deadline for submitting the appeal opening brief. And then it says right here, by April 16th, there needs to also be appeals for answering brief to the second district court on April 16th. However, they're saying that the Trump administration, along with the XRP lawyers, believe that dismissal of XRP is most likely going to happen somewhere between April and May. So even regardless of these appeals, if the SEC actually doesn't move forward with their appeal on this, so all it takes is April 7th. It says right here, the appeal court has asked both parties to comply with the scheduled order. Failing would result in a dismissal of the appeal. So all it takes is the SEC to not move forward, and it would actually just be dismissal. So, dude, what if that happens on April 7th, bro? What if like the SEC just not scheduled their order of appeal and it just gets dismissed? Like, imagine if that happens. Like, that could very well happen, dude. April 7th is going to be the date. April 7th is where they move forward. That's my bet. We're just not gonna push forward with the appeal. We're gonna let it go and have a dismissal of the appeal. April 7th, mark the date. April 7th. Always looking forward to the stream every day. Always positive information, and I will speak for everyone. A-team. I appreciate you, Jam, dude. You, my friend, are one of a kind. I appreciate a ton, dude. Jam, you're awesome. I appreciate everyone here, dude. You guys are great. You're the reason why I come on here every day, because it's awesome. I feel like once the government introduces rules and regulations, crypto will split into two classes. unregulated and regulated. Well, you're going to have, it's going to split in between cryptos that are securities and cryptos that are commodities. You're right. That's what's going to happen, OG. I would agree with you. You're going to have the unregulated. They're all going to be regulated. You're just going to have commodities and you're going to have securities, because there are cryptos out here which are securities, and there are cryptos out here which are commodities. And so defining between what is commodity and what is a security is the biggest issue that we have. And once you define that, you actually can then define the roadmap. So that's our biggest issue here. And so I think that, again, once that roadmap is clear enough, we're going to actually, I would agree 100% with what you said there. We will split and you'll have commodity versus security. And that's what I want. What's up, James? Good to see you, buddy. Jasmine's tied to Stargate. Are they? Filecoin and Litecoin. I mean, Filecoin's always looking good. Let's go back. We can look at Filecoin. I haven't actually looked at Filecoin in a very, very long time. But yeah, Filecoin's an OG. This is when you know you've been around, dude. But damn, that thing's popping right now. Holy crap. All right. I see you on the 4 hour. I see you on the 4 hour coming around hot. That thing is down pretty good right now. Yeah, Filecoin was up here $8, now sitting down here around $5. Gosh, dang. That thing has taken a freaking tumble. Our AVAX right here, you can see where we're at with the AVAX. So obviously this is where we were talking. It's at the 36.83. I think AVAX will probably, this is a nice little area right here at the golden pocket. It's actually a little bit above the golden pocket yesterday, but AVAX, another one that we had here that we're talking about was Jupiter. Where's my Jupiter? Jupiter has done very, very well. Look at this, guys. Gosh, dang, man. Yang, man, I wish I was in here with you. We pulled the trigger on this. He pulled the trigger on this at 81. I wish I was with you, dude. I'm sort of beating myself up over it. This is where he pulled the trigger. Oops. We were texting about this. I'm going to beat myself up over this one. I was driving. Right here was where he pulled the trigger on that night, dude. Gosh, dang, bro. You are absolutely killing it right now, and I'm so happy for you. I wish I was on the ride with you. 50 almost a 50% in return on your investment, dude. 47% return on the investment for that play right there. This is why I've been talking about Jupiter for a long time. Uniswap, all these exchanges will do very, very well. Decentralized platforms do well. But yeah, this hit up a 56% return on investment right there from where that buy-in was 2 days ago. So kudos to you, Yang, and anyone else that jumped into that Jupiter when we were talking about it. So I decided to just always put buy XRP no matter the price. Yeah, you're doing that's called the Michael Saylor strategy, dude. I'm totally on board with it. Do you think it's a coincidence that all the negative about XRP came out around the same time? Zero coincidence, bro. Zero coincidence. Hey, Austin, I linked my YouTube to Discord. Do I wait for approval? No, now you go in and you'll click, go into the Discord right here. Don't switch. You'll go up here to, where is it at? You'll click on be safe. There's the rule section right here. You'll go down to the bottom. You'll click the rules. I'm going to get your thing off here. You'll click yes to the rules, and then you'll go over here and you'll hit choose, and then you'll choose your whatever rooms you want to jump into, dude. It's pretty easy to do. XDC is good. Where do you store your HBAR? I've stored on Ledger. Can I buy more XRP for the price now? You could, yeah. I don't see why not. If you think it's going to do well. You were spot on, bro. We're all crypto. These maxis are the problem in the space, like Bitcoin maxis. We should all be brothers. And yeah, I agree. Glad. I mean, it's kind of crazy that, 2012, 2016, oh man, obviously it was Bitcoin, but a lot of us have grown in this space, man. And it's not all Bitcoin now. So, if you're rooting against another project to fall to its demise, that means you're rooting against a lot of people to lose their money and investment too. Like, that's kind of crappy if you think about it, right? That's just not a good human. That's just not a good person if you're doing that. So again, nothing against, I don't know Jack personally, but I mean, by him saying that he thinks that he's being the crypto savior to Bitcoin, but in the meantime, he's leaving behind millions and millions of other people who believe other projects are just as good, and can help them get out of the situations they're in. And it's like, so you're gonna dog all them. Like that's just not a good person to me. I just don't think that you should do that. We should be rooting for everyone to win here. And if you're not rooting for everyone to win here, then why are you here? This is the only community I believe in. I appreciate you, Jay. You're awesome, dude. Hi, what's up, Hogs? I think World Liberty Finance is stacking their bags. World Liberty Finance is the MicroStrategy 2.0. I'll say that now. Yeah, that's a good point, M. Craig. I think World Liberty Finance is the MicroStrategies 2.0. Mark my words on that, dude. Mark my words. They are stacking their bag, and they'll announce the crypto reserves, and they are the MicroStrategy 2.0. 100%, dude. And I was actually going to make a video on that, saying that. No one's talking about that, but I do think that that's going to be, like, that's going to happen. They're going to be MicroStrategy 2.0. Makes too much sense. Why would you not? MicroStrategy is making a killing, dude. MicroStrategy this is the most genius loophole in the history of finance I've ever heard of. I put out a video on YouTube or on Discord. You guys can check it out. I think I put it might have been in the facts section. I don't know where I put it. It's a crypto fact I think I put in here. Yeah, right here. It's the MicroStrategy infinite money loop with Bitcoin. I put the video in there. Dude, that thing is crazy, bro. That thing is like, when you watch that video, you're like, huh, that's pretty impressive what they were able to muster, dude. World Liberty Finance is going to be the exact same thing. Watch. Maximus Crypto. Oh, Max. Yeah, you're talking about Maximus. Isn't he the Chad? Isn't that dude? What was it like? Something Talk Now or something like Crypto Talk Now channel? Isn't that what that was? Can you explain the difference between security and a commodity? Well, yeah. I mean, the biggest thing is, commodities are, so securities are things that are traded on, it's very, when we think of a commodity, for instance, okay, sorry, I got my phone ringing. When you think of a commodity here, you're thinking of like things that like we don't know what, like corn, right? We don't know like what gold and silver and all these other commodities that are out there. Those are commodities, right? They don't actually have like, I guess you could say they don't have like this investment contract. That's the big difference between a security and a commodity, is that you're going into an investment contract. So when you go and you buy a stock, when you go and you buy a bond or anything like that, you're creating an investment contract to make that happen. And so, again, securities are the stocks, they're the bonds, any derivatives and future things like that would be the security. And basically it's just a financial asset used to raise capital for something. That's the biggest thing here, is that, when a commodity, that means you're just trading an open commodity. And I guess that's really the biggest difference here for me, is that one has a contract. One, you're actually you're raising capital to then trade that security, where a commodity, we don't really care about any of that. You're just trading the open market with a commodity. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of things here. I mean, I think that the biggest thing with the security is like where XRP got caught up, is they issued tokens. So one of the things that happened is because you got to realize, so one of the things I want to bring up here is I did say that XRP is a coin. So you got to realize that XRP was a token prior to them opening up the XRPL to allow tokens to be built on the XRPL. So before that happened, before the smart contracts was introduced to the XRPL, I would say that the XRP was a token, until they actually switched over and became a coin. And that's kind of how the XRPL has transitioned. So that's the difference between the token and the coin. And so when they were actually out there and Ripple opened up the door and allowed people to come in and basically go in and they airdropped tokens and things like that, that's the argument that the SEC has, is that they were raising capital to go out here and do this. And the SEC could be right. You know what I mean? But the thing is that one thing that sucks with the SEC's here in their case is that they didn't allow the argument that XRP has, is that the SEC didn't allow them to make that decision, right? They didn't allow them to pursue to become a security. Like XRP is not arguing like, hey man, if you're thinking that we're a security, okay, then we'll go through the filing of being a security. But you didn't give us the opportunity to actually make that decision. Like you guys came after us with the Wells notice and instantly sued us. You didn't actually give us the opportunity to determine that. So the SEC is actually is required to notify people if they determine them to be a security and give them a certain period of time to become to go through the registration. They didn't do that with XRP. So again, I think that there's a big difference there. And XRP could down the road, again, I don't think it's going to happen. I think that they pretty much won their case now. They're not a security. So honestly, I don't think that we'll ever see any crypto at this point become a security to some degree. I mean, some people might, but I think it's gonna be a hard argument now with if Ripple wins this case, because they airdrop tokens. They basically did a pre-sale. They basically went out there and did open funding and everything that basically the stocks would do. And here we are today, and they came out and ruled that they're not a security, that they're a commodity, and Judge Torres rule in their favor. So the argument's going to be tough for anyone else to come out, for the SEC to ever come back out after this ruling. So Z Goals, what's up, buddy? Besides my birthday, what date you got noted? It's April 7th, bro. April 7th is the date. I actually remember he was doing lives with Larry. Oh, yeah. That's the guy. Yeah, Maximus is, yeah, okay. Commodities are raw materials, basic goods. Yeah, obligations. Max knows his crypto, great influencer for the space, huge following for the next year. Yeah, I remember Max. I know who we're talking about now. So institution, early investors could be a security but the aftermarket isn't a security. Wasn't that the opinion? Yeah, the institutional early investors could be. I think that's kind of what it was. Yeah, Hogs. SEC will drop the case. It will. He has Space Every Tuesday, speaks on nice. So it's nice, dude. Elon to use XRP on X money. That would be, I don't know if he's going to use XRP. I don't know if he's going to use XRP. But let's look in here. So obviously, like I said, with HBAR, the 4 hours on its way down right now. So we could actually trend downward here back to the 32, which would be nice. The 12-hour is working its way up here. Usually we come back up about halfway and then come back down. The 12-hour is looking like it's coming back down. You can see right here, the red is coming down. The day chart is still working its way down towards the bottom. Had a little bit of an uptick right here, but will probably continue down. We want this to continue down to roughly below the 20% marker, or at least bounce off the 20 and then come back up. That's kind of the hope of what we see here with the day. So that's kind of nice to sort of see here. So we're going to continue to monitor that. I wanted to look at the week on this one. Yeah, the week is still pretty high. Again, the week is pretty high. If we go back down here, you can see that, the week is pretty high. But it's been up here for a long time on the week. But yeah, we're working our way down. So I do think that HBAR will have a little bit of some sell pressure coming in here. At least I hope it does, so that I can get in on my 30. I'm going to move it up. I'm still at 29,380, so I'm probably going to move that up to into the 31, because it seems like it's building a nice little level here. So I'll probably go back to my original plan here and position HBAR to buy right here. And I think, like I said, I'm going to be putting on a pretty good amount of HBAR if I can. XLM's another one. We're obviously coming back down. Look at this. It's starting to come back around, right around the 0.5 area again. This morning, this thing hit, or last night, we were on live yesterday. Right here, it came back up around 4 a.m. this morning. We got a new candle right here. This thing was coming down around 4 a.m. And then it hit over here and came bouncing back up. And then that's where we're at right now. So, or this was yesterday. Sorry, that was last night. It came back up, and you can see that we bounced off of this. We were live on X. I was talking about this, or live on Discord. I was saying that this just bounced off of the 40, 41 going up to the 42 right here. And so we'll see what happens here. It'd be nice if this thing actually comes back down, hits again here, maybe even we build back up. So it would be even nicer if we actually hit down here at this 40 marker, which is, again, where my buy order is at on the 40, 0.40, and another one here at the 0.38. So those are the two levels that I'm at right now for XLM. And XRP, I do not have any buy orders in for XRP because XRP is in over purchase territory for me. So XRP is going to have to be able to come back down here into the 382 for me to even consider anything. So 382 is a strong pullback here, at a 286. So if it comes back down here and hits something like this, I would consider it. And then if it has a deeper pullback to the 0.5, definitely consider it. And anything below that, that's just gold. So see, can you stake XRP on Ledger? I don't know if you can or not, dude. Just join. April date is so important. April date is so important because if the SEC doesn't move forward with an appeal, the case gets dropped. So that's kind of what we're hoping for. Like it says right here, I'll zoom in on it. You guys can read it. So it says right here, U.S. Appeals Court issues order regarding schedule in the Ripple case. Appellant Bradley needs to file the brief by March 6th. Ripple Labs, the CEO, will submit an appeal answering brief by the 7th. And so we're hoping that basically it says the appeals court has asked both parties to comply with the schedule order. Failing which may result in the dismissal of the appeal. So they have to go forward and they have to come, they have to actually comply with the schedule and agree to the schedule by April 7th. And if they don't, then it becomes a dismissal of the case. And so I said it would be nice if the SEC didn't move forward with this and didn't actually approve the schedule of it, which then would result in a dismissal of the case. And so that's kind of what I was hoping. Like, hey, man, April 7th could be the day where the SEC is just like, dude, just like let it go, man. We'll just move on. Why spend all the taxpayers' money and all this stuff on nonsense if we don't believe that XRP has done anything wrong? So it says also the court has given the March 6th deadline for submitting the appeal opening brief. This provides exact arguments against Ripple Labs and CEO Brad Garlinghouse in the XRP lawsuit. The ruling in this case may create a binding precedent for the Ripple SEC lawsuit. So it could go down to March 6th, but again, we'll have to sort of see where this comes out to. I think March 7th is kind of the deadline here, and even into March or April 16th. So basically what it comes down to, we got March 6th will be a deadline, April 7th will be a deadline, and April 16th will be a deadline. But at the end of this whole thing, they believe the Trump administration will not pursue the appeals going forward, and that the dismissal could come in April or May. So regardless of all that, that's kind of where we're at with it. So those are going to be some big dates to follow. Yeah, I'm a bit back in the live stream. I'm just trying to catch up. Oh, what's up, It's Summer? It's good to see you, buddy. Appreciate you being there, man. I don't think it will take that long. Brad can call Trump. True. They probably have they're probably texting right now. What's up, Stand Man? What's going on, buddy? March 6th is my B-day. Hell yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. Yeah, what did I miss? XRP Win Moon. No, we're just talking about deadlines, bro. Just talking about deadlines. Talking about where things are going. So April 7th, save the date for April 7th, 16th, and what was it again? April 7th. Where the hell did it go? 7th and the 16th. Yeah, right there. Okay. Let's trip there for a minute. And then we want to save for the 6th of March. Concerta, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend, and thank you so much, man. Really, really appreciate it. And yeah, welcome to the A team, dude. That's awesome. Brad's tweet is ominous. What's up, Mr. Krabs? Did he tweet today, or is this? Are you talking about a tweet before? Which one are you talking about? Damn, dude. Okay, this just actually came in. Shit's already starting, dude. President Trump announces 25% emergency tariff on all Colombian goods and financial sanctions for rejecting deportation flights. Oh my gosh, dude, this is gonna get wild, dude. Regardless of how you feel about it, that's just crazy. Like, I mean, I don't even know what to say. This is gonna get crazy, dude. This could actually cause a disruption. I will admit this. I just want to put this out here. I know a lot of people voted for this. I know a lot of people are on board with this, and the people have spoken. But this, from a financial standpoint, I just want to make it very clear. From a financial standpoint, this could disrupt the markets. So this could cause some negative catalysts in the market. So just realize that as much as this could be positive from communities and positive for a lot of things, just realize that it could disrupt a lot of the cycle for crypto and the cycle for that, just the markets in general, because it is kind of a disruption. You know what I mean? And especially if we start tariffing like Canada, Mexico, larger like Russia again, that could cause some disruption in the markets. So just realize that, like, as much as people voted for this and are excited about it, it could disrupt the financial markets. And again, so just realize that this is pretty crazy. Caesar, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Hello, A-Team community on this January 26th. What's going on, my buddy? Appreciate you, man, for the $2. And thank you so much, man. Appreciate the hell out of that. Yeah, all that cake money is not going into crypto. ISO stolen 2 Solana on Bull X. There is now way too much. Oh, damn. Did you get you got hacked? Damn, dude. My birthday is April 16th. Hell yeah. Eric Trump is proposing zero capital gains for US-based crypto. Dude, that's badass. Yeah. If only it applied to their cake, to their Coke. Oh, yeah. I get what you're saying now. I read that wrong. I said cake. Coke. That's funny. Prior to 1913, the majority of federal revenue was generated from tariffs. Yeah, you're right, Butterfly. I'm just talking about like we're not used to we are now in 2023 we're 2025 23 G's. And this again, the markets have grown, the global markets have grown. Like it just could be a disruption, right? That's all I'm just saying. Whether you agree it's good or bad, I'm just saying that this could cause disruptions across the board. Tariffs are not bad for American imports, bad for our markets, bad for our markets too. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It could be bad for the markets. You know what I mean? So regardless of how you feel about it, you could be pro or con. Doesn't matter. It could disrupt the markets. So again, you saw what happened on the day that he got elected. The markets took a little bit of a negative downward trend because of the language and the rhetoric of Trump when it came to the tariffs, right? And then that sort of softened throughout the week, and the markets actually climbed back out. But they were anticipating that the markets were going to come down because of the tariff language. So just realize that as much as we're all like, a lot of us are like, hey, dude, yeah, tariff the hell out of people, instead of stop screwing America. That could backfire on the markets too, and then we'll have to recover from that. So there could be something like that could happen. We all have cake in mind. I know, dude. He said Coke, but I said cake. That's funny, dude. Anybody here saying tariffs are good? Don't know what a tariff is. I think that there's just a lot. Like I said, we're here to make money. We're here to try to find areas where money can be made, and some things can have impacts. That's all. Negative and positive. What does that say about the people that were brought into our country that are their own country don't even want them back? Yeah, no comment on that one. I think it's kind of crazy. I would agree. Austin, what happened with Filecoin and the SEC? Where there a date for it? I don't know if there's a date for the Filecoin stuff. So yeah, I don't know if there's a date for that, but that's pretty crazy right here. So the dominoes are starting to fall here a little bit for the tariff and everything like that. So that's kind of interesting. That is going to be very interesting here. Yeah, it's gonna get crazy. Gosh, dang. Here's a thing of made in America. So here's all the stuff that are made in the U.S. for all cryptos. So if you're talking about made in the U.S., here's they are, and then here's all the things that World Liberty has so far, along with Grayscale Trust and the Coinbase 50 Dex. This is actually pretty cool. Save this. I actually might need to save this. I'm gonna save this to my Let's go. Let's save to bookmark to folder. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Oh, I'll save it here in a minute. That's a pretty cool little Venn diagram right there. I don't really like cake. Buy American products since this morning's gone up 55%. Johnny, come on, brother. He just wants America to boom. Yeah. Pin that Discord. I think it's pinned. I think Fan said that it's pinned. Yeah, you can go right up at the very top. There is a pinned note up there. So what happened to XRP? I think through Grayscale missing ADA. Yeah. Let's see here. H bar number 1. Yeah, H bar is number 1. So you can see right here we got a lot in here. Got a lot. Welcome, new members. Yeah, welcome, dude. Hello, welcome to new members. Looking forward to seeing you on the Discord. Heck yeah, dude. I think the cake we're talking about is very different. Yes, the cake is very different. Clear the comments off the screen so I can see the screen. Oh, yeah, here. Sorry, my bad, bro. My bad. There you go, dude. Austin looks like the type that has a shotgun behind his door. I think a little bigger than that. A little bigger than that. I am a big person of the Second Amendment. So, hey Austin, I'm new to crypto. Been watching your lives. What online tools do you use to track and compare? I want to learn. Dude, the first thing you can do, MWX, is to just get TradingView. Just open up TradingView and start using the indicators on TradingView. That's the best thing you can do. Start with TradingView. Just go on there, start monitoring, and just learn the different trading tools that are up here. And I'll take a little. Here's my indicators that I use if you want to start, playing around with them. That's kind of where I use. So that's kind of the first steps, I think. Get onto Coinbase and start looking at the different stuff. Coin market cap is another one. Just made another 2K off the Swift coin. Damn, bro. Get it serious. Austin got a flamethrower. I don't got a flamethrower. That would be pretty badass. I didn't get the flamethrower from Elon. That would have been cool, though. But yeah. I'll say I'm well positioned. I think XDC is good, man. XDC is actually done pretty damn well. Here's XDC right here. You can see it's actually a nice little decline. Oh, I thought I pulled up a. This is actually in a pretty good. Let me go to the day chart here. This is actually in a pretty good. This is in a pretty good thing. And again, if you're trying to determine, like looking at these charts on a day chart, if you're trying to figure out where the bottoms are, again, you can use the Williams fractals. It tells you the bottom. It tells you the top. Again, if you're having a hard time figuring out where they are, you can go down here, find the low of that cycle. Again, you could use it if you want. It's called Williams fractal. So we're going to build up a nice little retracement here. And you can see this actually is a pretty deep retracement for XCN. So anytime we're past the 50, this is a deep retracement. Anytime we get to the 618, we are now, if we're between the 382 and the 0.5 right here, where this is considered a deep retracement. Now, if you go past the 0.5 to the 618, this is a deep retracement. So this is kind of where you want to be. This is the golden pocket. This is like the prime zone. This actually has fallen through. And the next major support level, honestly, dude, if you look at this, the next support level is right here, right around the 618. So this, you can see right here with the volume, anywhere between roughly about 10 cents, 10 cents one, and about 9 cents six is probably the area for this to maybe come down. You can see right here, we're already at the bottom with the day chart. We're already here at the bottom with the 12, and the 4-hour chart is working its way down. So you have some downward trend right here. This is probably in buy territory based off Fibonacci right here. This could turn into a nice little swing trade here. So something to consider if you're in on it, or if you want to try to swing it or something like that. Based off what we're seeing right now is that it's actually in a decent zone, and you got a lot of support right here. So like I said, this golden pocket could be a nice little area. But yeah, something to monitor if this is something you like. But yeah, thank you for bringing that up. It's not a bad looking chart for a nice retracement. Do you have a discount code? I don't, dude. I'm so bad with I'm so bad. People ask me all the time, like, for affiliate links for like everything, and I'm so bad at it. I don't have an affiliate link for people. I appreciate you guys even considering that. I don't really push any of that on anyone. Like I don't go create these affiliate links for, like, someone was asking for cointracker.io. I did create an affiliate link a long time ago. I don't even know where it's at. I could send, but yeah, I appreciate you guys thinking of that though. And even a discount code, because I don't have discount codes for it. But I think the affiliate, I tell you the truth, I actually think the affiliate link does have a 10% discount now that you say about it. But no, I don't have it, dude. I don't have that. Let's see here. Crypto doesn't revolve around only US. Do not underestimate the volume of the Asian market. No, I don't understand. We're talking about the U.S. made companies, because if there's no capital gains on U.S. made companies, that like a lot of people are going to invest in those because they don't want to pay the capital gains. So yeah, XCN's on Coinbase. Swift TC has been very bullish. Tim Shea, is that a meme coin, bro? Is that a meme coin? Since Tim brought it up, I'm bringing it up. Swift coin. Is this a meme coin, dude? It's definitely a meme coin. Definitely a meme coin, but it's been on an absolute sender, sitting at about $1 million $100 million market cap. Gosh dang, that's actually pretty low. But when did it come out, dude? Oh my gosh, dude, this came out that long ago. Holy crap, bro. That's crazy. And then you have this guy over here. Like, this does not look right. So Austin, not hustling you, blessing only. Why he is the go? Oh no, yeah, I'm trying not to. Definitely text Dave. What's up with XRP? Oh, it's just flat right now. No, it's on Coinbase too. Oh, really? It's on Swiftcoin's on Coinbase too, bro? Damn, all right. I did not know that either. Austin, vet, please. VeChain's been a little rough, guys. VeChain. VeChain's been a little rough for anyone. But we could pull up the fibs on this. Let's pull up the fib on this one. So we're probably going to be roughly, damn. Yeah, you're probably in some buy. You're definitely in some buy territory for sure. I mean, you're right in the golden pocket area right now, dude. You're right in the golden pocket. Again, you can come down here. We could actually pull it up further. Yeah, it's kind of a funky chart right here, dude. Let's actually get a little closer on it. It doesn't matter because it's even if we did a fib right here, which is kind of funky, you're still in a buy zone right there. So yeah, you're in a buy zone right here. Even if we pulled it off the low right here to the high right here, you're technically, I mean, you're in a deep pullback on it. I mean, but it's pretty flat. That's a pretty even chart right there for swing trading. Look at that, guys. I mean, it's a really weird chart, but yeah, you come down, you hit around this 4 cent marker, you could probably come back up and sell at the 5 cent. It looks like it's been trending like that since December, dude. So this is actually probably a really easy chart to swing trade on. So good times. Yeah, dude. Swiftcoin is about to lose a lot of people's money. Oh shit. I got Toshi and XTM right now. All right, Steve. Any insight why no capital gains on US? They just said that, Stan. I don't know if that's true or not. So do not spam. Yeah, try not to spam. Yeah, please. HBAR has 6 million buy wall at 33. Yeah, that's kind of it's going to be a huge buy wall right there, Florida Stooge. Just getting started. We started the new hour here. I forgot to say we started the new hour I definitely went over my time. But it's good to see the new hour coming on here. Let's see if the new hour is working out here. A little bit red for HBAR. Starting off red for HBAR. XLM starting off green for XLM. XRP starting off red. So, yeah. So yeah, with all that, I'm going to be hopping off, guys. Just to let you guys know, I will be posting in the DGen chat. I will be posting a pre-sell over there. Again, it's a marketing. I will be doing some marketing in the DGen chat with Pure Wallet, and so I'm going to be putting that in there for everyone. Be posting it, and again, you guys can even check out my my marketing wallets and stuff like that. So, like I said, I'm pretty transparent with everything, and so I'll be putting it over there for anyone that wants to check that out and enter into that. I do know that there was one person that did ask about it and was having a hard time with their wallet. So you got it is for ETH right now. So you got to make sure that you have enough to cover your gas fees when you're purchasing it. So just be careful, or just I'm new to the ETH fee. I figured it out. Okay, so yeah, he figured it out. Okay, come on, Poppy. Thanks so much, man. Yeah, so he figured it out there, and yeah. And so yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Yeah, would that say sanctions and tariffs are just Trump's way to negotiate? That's true. That's true. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day here. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And with all that said, we're out. Love you guys. Peace out.